Hi, I'm Billee Silva with Jones & Co. Realty. If you spent any time exploring Southwest Florida, you already know we have a lot of golf communities. But not all of them are created equal, and understanding the differences can help you choose the right community that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Let's break it down. In a bundled golf community, your golf membership is included with the purchase of your home or condo. That means when you buy, you automatically become a golf member. No separate initiation fee or application process. The upside? You'll enjoy access to the course, clubhouse, and amenities right away. The trade off is that your HOA or condo fees are typically higher because they include golf course maintenance and operations. These communities are ideal for people who plan to play often and want a true golf centric lifestyle. In an equity or membership community, you buy your home and your golf membership separately. There's usually an initiation fee to join the club and ongoing dues after that. The advantage is flexibility. Not every resident is a golfer, and amenities are often more private and less crowded. Many of these clubs are known for beautifully maintained courses, social calendars, and resort style facilities. This setup works great if you're looking for an upscale golf experience or want more control over your membership options. Then, there are communities built around a public or semi private course. You don't have to be a member, you simply pay each time you play. This is perfect for seasonal residents, casual golfers, or anyone who loves the golf atmosphere but doesn't need full time membership costs. You'll still get the beauty and open space of living near a course without the financial commitment. So, whether you're looking for an active golf lifestyle, a social country club setting, or just a home with a beautiful golf course view, understanding how each community is structured makes all the difference. If you're not sure which one fits you best, that's where I come in. I've helped countless buyers navigate bundled equity and public golf communities right here in Southwest Florida, and I can help you find the one that feels like home. I'm Billee Silva with Jones & Co. Realty, helping you find your perfect place on or off the fairway. Have a great day.